Hello guys. For today's video I will show you how to change hero voice to any language in Mobile Legends. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button. First thing to do is go to settings. At the bottom, you see in their English. For the language, tap on it. Click voice. You can select and hear any language of your choice. Tap on the download button. By the way, our chosen example is Japanese. Please take note that this process will only affect the voices of the heroes but not the game language. Wait for it to complete. It would take some time depending on your internet connection. After that, you need to start the game to apply changes. Let's try to listen to some of the heroes' voices.
新月の光は暗闇を突き破る。
俺の血が騒いでいる。
For more how to tutorials, please subscribe or click our other videos to keep on watching.